The following video is to help you complete the Adobe eSign documents, the Zengar consent form that is sent to all new system owners or existing clients who do not have this form on file. So the first thing you'll do is you will be receiving an email that is from Zengar Institute via EchoSign. This is the consent form that needs signature, which all can be done online. So the first step is you click here so that you can actually review the form on the Adobe site. So it brings you right into the form. The first step is to notice all of these arrows, which will lead you in the direction. So we do recommend you read all the information in here. This is essentially stating that you consent to knowing exactly what NeurOptimal is, and that it will be represented as such to all clients that are training with you. So if you click on Start, it will bring you to the first place you need to sign. In order to sign in this area, it's the initials. So you just click into that yellow box. You can either type, draw, or download an image. So typing or drawing is the easiest one. I'm currently on type, so I'm just going to put in my initials. Just click into the box, apply. So now it has put your initials there. Next, it'll bring you down to the next set. In line with Canadian anti-spamming laws, we do need consent in order to contact you. So any promotional emails, any types of sales or special promos that we have, we need the consent to actually email those to you. So you can either opt in or opt out. So then you just click one of these circles, click into the next box that's in yellow to sign. Again, you can just type in your signature, click into the box, and then you're going to click apply. That's put your signature in here. Now, important to note that right here at the bottom, we have our little arrow that has marked for me click to sign. I don't know if this area has now gone out of the video, but I'll bring it up. So it's this click to sign blue button at the bottom. Once you click that, it processes it. It successfully sends the agreement to us, and you will be emailed a copy as well. And that's all there is to signing the consent form.